Welcome back to CodeCraft by Mac. In the last video, we explored strings in Python, how to create, slice, and format text. Today, we are diving into a powerful feature, file handling in Python, how to read and write files. File handling in Python. File handling allows us to store data permanently in files instead of just in memory. With Python, we can open, read, write, and close files easily. Opening a file. We can use the open function to open a file. It takes the file name and mode. The four modes are read, write, append, and create new. For example, f is equal to open demo.txt and it is in read mode, that is R. Reading a file. To read content, we use .read function, .read line function, or .read lines function. For example, f is equal to open file demo.txt in read mode, print f.read, read that file and print it, and then close f.close the file. Writing to a file. We can write into files using W or A mode, that is write or append mode. For example, f is equal to open demo.txt in write mode, f.write hello Python learners, and then close the file. This creates or overwrites demo.txt file. Appending data. Appending means adding to the file without erasing it. For example, f is equal to open demo.txt in append mode, f.write /new means new line, welcome to CodeCraft by Mac. It will write this line in new line into the demo.txt file. Using with statement. Instead of manually closing files, we can use with statement. It automatically closes the file for us. For example, with open demo.txt in read mode as file, print.f.read function. Example program. Let's combine reading and writing. To write data with open student.txt write mode as file, f.write Ali Sara Osman, and in read mode with open student.txt in read mode as file, print f.read lines, all the lines in students.txt. Now some common errors. Be careful while with file handling. W erases the file before writing. Be careful. Reading a non-existing file causes an error. Always check file paths if files are missing. And that's file handling in Python, how to open, read, write, and amend to files safely. In the next video, we will explore object-oriented programming OOPs in Python, classes and objects. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it, only on CodeCraft by Mac. Thank you.